Hi, today I am showing you all vegetable masala omelette on a leftover roti. Ingredients are onion, carrot, capsicum, tomato, green chili, garlic because I like garlic taste, salt, 2 eggs. You can add any vegetables what you want. I have minced all the vegetables, onion, tomatoes, capsicum, garlic and green chili. Only carrot I have grated. Put all the ingredients in a bowl. Add salt as per your taste. I am making this of 2 eggs. Break the eggs and mix all the ingredients with the salt. Beat it. I add little water and then again beat it. Now this is ready to be cooked on a non-stick pan or tawa, whatever you are making the omelette on. Heat the pan with oil. Put the leftover roti in it and then put the batter on that, mixed batter. Spread it like that. Put little oil on it from the sides. Cover and cook. Loosen it from all the sides and flip it over. Then put one leftover roti, one more roti, press it like that and flip it over. Roti omelette sandwich is ready to eat. Another one only of one roti. Spread it. Put some oil on it. Put the gas on low medium and cook it. Open the lid. Do it this way and then turn it. Put little oil on the sides. Turn it and check if it is well done, or you can flip it again. Put off the gas and it will be done on the hot pan. If you don't like vegetable omelette, only bull's eye, then you can do the same thing with leftover rotis.